This is a 2008 Wolfpack 326 toy hauler fifth wheel by Forest River. It has the high gloss gel coated fiberglass exterior. It's very shiny. Huge basement storage. Look at that storage compartment in there. There's even a cool little toolbox area right there. 50 amp power service. The big Onan 5500 watt generator. Has outside speakers, has a fuel station. It's 3 axles, very stable in the wind. Rear stabilizer jacks. There's no dents or damage or anything on this toy hauler. We have it on sale right now, so don't waste time. You won't find a nicer later model. We shop the internet before we offer this for sale. So give us a call, 520-293-1010.